Hi there, how are you? I hope you are doing pretty well. So today I'm gonna share with you how we can set up GA4 e-commerce tracking through Google Tag Manager. So without further delay, let's get started. Setting up GA4 e-commerce tracking. In this method, what I will show you, for this you need the data layer as a GA4 schema. So we can continue it. At first, we have to connect Google Tag Manager with our website. I think you already know how we can connect Google Tag Manager with our website. I already connected this Google Tag Manager account with this website. So before creating this tag or GA4 e-commerce tracking, go to the variable and then built-in variables config. We have to enable under the utilities the event. We have to enable this. Then triggers, new, and custom event. Then we have to write it. I will give it in the description box. Then use messages. Then the trigger name. Then save. Obviously, you should match the event name. I said my data layer is following the GA4 schema, that's why I give them in my trigger option. You can follow this GA4 rules and regulation. So then tag, new. Then we have to connect Google Analytics. So we have to create G tag, Google tag. I already created constant variable for our GA4 measurement ID. This is our measurement ID. Trigger will be all page. Then save. Then again new, Google Analytics event. Then again measurement ID, event name, this on. Okay, then more settings, send e-commerce data. You have to select it obviously the data layer because the data will collect from data layer. Then trigger, then tag name. Then click on save. Now I can preview it. Connected. View item event expired. Process. Yeah, this is the process. This is the details of this product. Handpicked red chilies. Yeah, the handpicked red chilies. So if you have any question, then you can add the question in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.